Welcome back everybody for more amazing recipes. This is the best Asian dumpling recipe you're ever going to come across in your life. Here are all the ingredients. Okay, you can pause it and write them down. Ground pork, Napa cabbage, you get the idea. Okay, first things first, you want to mix all the ingredients together except for the egg white and the wraps. After mixing all of your ingredients together, you're going to want to get one of the wraps, put it down, and then you're going to want to add egg white to the edges of the wrap. And then you can see, like a professional, you want to pinch hard. You want to fold over on each corner, pinch hard, fold over, pinch hard, fold over, pinch hard. Okay, and make sure you're not spilling out your filling by leaning it to one side too much. Okay, you don't want to make a mess that way. Okay, and there you go. You have your perfect little dumpling right there. After making all your little dumplings, you may have a little bit of leftovers, and we're going to show you what to do with that, and it's delicious. What you're going to want to do is cut up some more cabbage and throw it back into the mix. Okay, now that your dumplings are ready to go, heat up a pan with some oil in it, spread your dumplings around evenly, and let that oven do all the work. We also have a hot pan in the back there. We're going to put in a little water, and we're going to steam them when we're done. So make sure when you're browning they're crispy and beautiful just like this. Flip them over once. Make sure you have something to catch the grease because things can get a little crazy. Okay, now they're going into the other pan to steam them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now if you just want to steam them, you typically steam them for about 6 minutes. There goes that grease again. Okay, after steaming them, put them on a plate with a hot towel over. Take your leftover ingredients and just throw it on a skillet and cook it until the pork is cooked thoroughly. And you throw that on your rice and it is just delicious. Safety tip, don't do this at home, but when you can sneak in some delicious flavor like this, oh my gosh, you gotta take it in when she's not looking. Look at that deliciousness. 10 out of 10. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, come back for more delicious recipes and funny videos. We love y'all.